141 Juliet, take 1.
Mum, please, can you help me warm up?
Okay, breathe.
Hello, Polava Fresh TV. I'm Tiare Savea, and we are here at the Tinā premiere. Welcome.
Feeling pretty excited. Absolute sellout in Auckland at the moment. Everybody dressed colourfully, just representing. So very, very cool.
I'm starting a school choir.
Patia! Patia! Tosopa! Okay, that's a work in progress.
Girl, you got me.
Working with Anapela is so amazing. She has so much knowledge. She's so talented, and she really just lets everyone in like family, and it's so amazing.
There was no one else to play this part other than Anapela. She was involved in the creative process of developing the character and the story right from the beginning.
If you disrespect the master, you exercise.
Girl power! This is a teaching institution. Otherwise, you'd get the jandal. With love, of course. What I hope people take away from this tonight is community. And the fact that we're all coming together for a story. And ultimately, it's a story about ourselves and that we're seeing and celebrating ourselves in these spaces. But more so, if it's something that you need right now, like a story like this, to be able to come here in the theatre, then it's yours. Own it.
I think it was such a beautiful film to be a part of, and it was something new for me and one of my first projects like this. And I think it's just such a beautiful movie to represent our people and our culture.
What should we do when we pose for photos on the red carpet? Should we smile? We always smile.
Number one, try and dress more colourfully than everybody else, so everybody just looks at you.
I think the biggest thing for me, especially because it's summer right here, so it's always just bring your all you need with you. But nice and light and flowy and sort of like just have a great time. And follow your wafu while you're at it. Oka se vela.
Thank you so much for coming with us to the Tinā premiere. If you haven't watched the movie yet, make sure you go see it. Keep it fresh.